Prairie dogs build towns below, underground cities where they go. Tunnels stretch both far and wide, in their burrows they hide inside. Some towns are bigger than you can dream, larger than 100 fields it seems, with dirt as walls and tunnels to roam. These furry architects call it home. Underground cities vast and grand, built by paws in the prairie land, with tunnels deep and homes so bright. They dig all day from morning to night. They dig with skill, they dig with care, creating homes beneath the air. From chambers for rest to lookout spots, their underground cities connect the dots. In grassy fields where they build their towns, prairie dogs work without frowns. Furry architects working with pride, creating homes where families hide. Their tunnels twist beneath the ground, an underground world without a sound. These prairie dogs with plans so neat create communities at their feet. So when you see the prairie's flat land, know that below there's something grand. Furry architects digging with might, creating wonders out of sight. Furry architects,